Hello, student. Good morning and have a good day to all. This morning we will continue our lesson. Please get your book, smile book color yellow and purple. Let's start now. Are you ready? Let's start. That is in page 44, Unit 5. Yummy, yummy food. Look at the picture. What can you see? Write the words. Okay, what can you see in the pictures? And then you write in the number. Right? So you are going to do the next page. Please open it. Are you ready? Get ready with your book, page 45. Look and check the foods they have. Okay, picture number one. Okay, picture number one. What they have, you are going to check. I'll give you the example here. Egg. Okay. He has an egg. So you're going to check it. The rest you're going to check. Number one and number two. Here in the other exercise, number two, look at the picture again. Then write. You're going to write the words in the blank. Example, I give you the example. I have chicken, some rice, an egg, and a banana. Okay. Again, number one, I have chicken, some rice, an egg, and a banana. Okay. I give you now the answer. All you have to do is to write. And then again, number two, you have it. Number two, you look at the picture and then write the yummy food in number two. Let's go to the next. Let's go to the next page in your book, page 46. Okay, this time you are going to write. Okay, you're going to write again what there in the picture. I want cake, apple, and chocolate. Okay, you are going to write on the blank. Next, I want hamburgers, salads, and milk, please. So please write on the blank. Number four, what do you want to eat? Ask and write. Example, this is me. I want to eat chicken, egg, and apple, please. Okay, please write it. And then you ask your friend, my friend, I want to eat ice cream, apples, and chocolate. Okay, so that is in page 46. Next, let's go to the next page that you are going to do is in page 47. Draw and write. What do you want to eat for breakfast? So you are going to draw what do you eat for breakfast. You are going to draw here and then write. Number two, what do you want to eat for lunch? You draw and then write what do you eat for lunch. Next, number three, what do you want to eat for dinner? So draw again. What do you want to eat for dinner? Draw again and then write the words. What do you eat? Next one, I'll give you a homework about reading time and then send it to line. So this is your reading time. This is you're going to do for reading time. You have to read the color yellow only here. This is in page 63, color green book. So this is you're going to do in the line. You are going to read the color part, color yellow. So you are going to read. Kate likes 2 eggs and some milk for breakfast. She likes a sandwich and some orange juice and chocolate for lunch. She likes fish and some salad for dinner. So this is very short. This is your reading assignment, reading homework. And then send it to line. Okay, student, thank you for your attention and have a good day. I hope you will answer your homework. Have a wonderful day and keep safe always. Thank you. See you next